Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason.
I'm Julie.
And we're Destination Full-Time. And today we're back with another RV review. What are we reviewing?
We are reviewing a Flagstaff 8529 RKSB, and this is pretty spectacular. Let's check it out.
Let's do it.
I'm here with Kathy and John, and they're wearing the coolest sweatshirts ever. They are first-time snowbirds this season.
Yeah.
And they have this really amazing rig. Look how open and spacious this is. Have you ever seen anything like this? Kitchen has a bar. We've got 2 love seats, big open spaces, light colors. So tell me, Kathy, why did you pick this particular rig?
The main reason was for the outdoor kitchen. If you've never had one, you wouldn't have missed it, but our previous travel trailer had one.
Okay.
And we loved it.
So what do you mainly use your outdoor kitchen for?
Drinking.
Yeah, really drinking, yeah.
And
Well,
cooking.
no,
And cooking.
Yeah, we got we got tons of seasonings out there, all the cooking gear, the cups and everything's there, the refrigerator.
Well, you're recently retired, right?
Yes, yeah.
So having a lot of fun about it, right?
Correct. Yep.
And you guys are from the UP?
Of Michigan. Yep.
That's right.
From Gladstone.
That's really cool.
Yep.
And so you traveled all the way down here just for the winter,
Yes.
and then you're going to go back.
Yep.
And how many months do you spend down here?
4 months.
Okay.
And then we're coming back next year for 4 months.
Yeah.
And you'll come to the same place.
Same place.
Which
same
is
spot
where?
Yeah.
Now, where are you staying?
at the Ocala North RV Resort.
And tell me what you think about these crazy people here.
We love them. We've met lots and lots of nice people.
So, John, what do you like about this RV?
It makes Kathy happy. Whatever
That's perfect.
Kathy wants, Kathy gets.
That's a very smart man right there.
But no, I like the outdoor kitchen too because we cook when we're home, we cook outside all the time. Almost every day.
It saves from running in and out of the house.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, 'cause
tracking and
that is a lot of carrying back
Yeah.
and forth.
yes, yep.
Now we need an outdoor kitchen, Jason.
No, we don't.
Kathy's going to show us her amazing kitchen.
This is it.
This
I
is
have-
a lot of counter space.
I have lots of workspace.
Yep. What do you
prep.
work with? What are you cooking?
Macaroni and cheese.
Homemade
red,
macaroni and cheese.
How about
Red-
your candied baked beans?
my candied baked beans?
Red
yes.
beans and rice.
Red beans and rice.
Sausage, yeah.
Bratwursts.
All the good stuff.
All the good stuff.
All
the-
right.
Yep.
And you
Yeah.
have a nice Berkey right here.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's for the drinking water.
That's been a lifesaver.
Yeah, that's
Especially,
really-
you know.
We don't have the counter space for
Yeah,
that.
that's one nice thing. We have lots of counter space. We've got this handy dandy little,
Oh, wow.
which works really
Outlets in
nice
the
when
corner.
you're
That is nice.
outlets when you got
you can
extra
plug in
things.
all kinds of things.
Yep. Especially when I'm making beans. Lots of cupboard space up here.
Now, is this
refrigerator.
fridge big enough for you through the winter?
Yes.
For the two of us.
Yeah, for the two of us. Yeah.
Be nice to have a full-size fridge, but
But then you just fill it up
Yeah.
instead of
Then-
going to the store, right?
Right. Yeah. Yeah. So
Very
lots
nice.
of cupboards, storage. Yeah. So. Yeah, you can.
Very nice.
Yeah. I try to be. It's
pretty deep, actually.
Yeah, there is. Yep. Yeah.
Do you have to
And then
get
we
a
have-
stool to reach back
Yes,
in the
I
back?
do. Yes. And up here I need it, but I put stuff up here I don't need.
I like the
Yeah.
decor.
Yeah.
You did very nice with
I
that.
was very nervous
About decor?
picking it out.
We didn't see this lighter wood before. She picked it out of the magazine.
Oh.
So it was in a book, and then I
Yeah.
just said, okay, let's try the lighter stuff.
I think the whitewash
Yeah.
really makes it look light and
Yeah, it
airy
did.
in here.
And so for like 6 months, I was in a panic that I made the
Aw.
wrong decision.
I think you
Well,
did
we ordered
fantastic.
it in February. We got it when July.
July. Yeah.
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 So you've only had this for how long now?
It'll
This
be
will be
2
this-
years in
this
July.
summer.
This summer it'll be 2
Okay.
years. Yeah.
And how often do you actually sit at the bar?
Not
Not too often.
Do
The
the
table.
grandkids sit at the bar when they come visit?
No, my girlfriend does.
Yeah.
When we have our drinks,
Yeah.
while I'm making
Yeah.
drinks, yeah. The
Good
grandkids
place.
sit outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. When
Well,
they-
and I like the fireplace and the TV is really
yeah,
nice
it's
too.
a perfect
Yeah.
spot. We can sit
Yeah.
here, watch TV. Yeah. And we have the table and it does pull out right here. a
So
little bit.
cards. You
Yeah,
can play
cards.
some cards.
And if you have company, it gives you extra room.
You can show them behind the TV too. It's
No, it's full of.
Is that a hidden?
Well, we keep-
There's hidden storage.
yes,
Hidden
it's
storage.
really deep behind
Yeah,
this
it's real deep.
TV.
It goes all the way back this way.
Yeah.
So this is 37 feet, right?
Mhm.
37 feet, 3 slides,
Mm-hmm.
and an outdoor kitchen. Do you want to show us any more of the house?
Oh, sure. You
All right. Tell us about the bedroom.
Yep, we have a king size bed, which I
See, it
love.
says you sleep
Full
around.
size.
That's
Yep,
super
full-
cute.
King size,
It's full size king.
full king. Yep, has storage underneath. We got plenty of storage here. Our dresser. Yep. Lots of room on both sides to walk around.
If you had anything to change about this particular RV, is there anything you'd change?
The only thing that I wish I could change would be more storage in the bathroom.
Okay.
I only have a real tiny like cupboard which holds like our aspirin and stuff.
But would you give up a big shower to
No,
have that
nope,
storage?
nope.
See,
So
I
I'm
think that's
happy-
where the manufacturers get confused. We
Right.
want more storage, but we don't want to give up our shower.
So I would just keep it like it was.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Well, this is a very beautiful home. I
Thank
love
you.
it.
We do too. We're happy with it.
Thank you for showing it to us.
Yeah.
Living in the RV is sublime. Destination full time.